Most people trying to get free stuff on Temu aren't actually doing anything wrong on purpose. They're just skipping one important step. I did the same thing at first. I opened the app, started scrolling, tapped a few offers, and nothing happened. No free gift, no progress bar. Before I explain the mistake, I've put the working Temu Free Gift link and code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup options Temu is running right now. Now here's what most people do wrong. They try to get free stuff without activating the free gift event first. Temu doesn't just give free items automatically, you have to enter through the right page, otherwise the offer never starts. Here's the correct way to do it. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step matters. Without the link, the free gift won't trigger. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the free gift event. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You'll also see a code you can enter manually to activate the same offer. Once that's done, you'll notice a progress bar appear inside the Temu app. That progress bar means the free gift is active. Now Temu will guide you. Browse a category, tap a deal, check a product. Nothing complicated. As you complete those steps, the bar fills. Once it reaches 100%, the free item you selected unlocks and ships. Yes, real item, real delivery. So if free stuff on Temu never worked for you before, you probably just skipped the activation step. Click the link, activate the event, follow the steps, and try it again the right way. If it finally works for you, comment what you unlocked. I like seeing when people get it.